Insight Systems Technology and Honeywell Building Services have been in partnership for over 15 years. We have been supporting the technology at Marvel Stadium for the PA, the background music, and all of the game day facilities. Thinking back to circa 2018, Stadium needed an uplift. What was some of the process that we used to execute the uplift for you?
First off, just meeting together and having all those meetings, understanding what the client required, what we needed to make our maintenance a bit easier and a bit more efficient. It was certainly a lengthy process because there's so many stakeholders involved here that we needed to touch base with all of them to make sure that we got the best outcome for everyone.
I do remember a key deliverable was building a robust system. We basically can't let this system fall over or fail or underperform at any given time.
No, absolutely. And when you're talking about life safety equipment, like our PA and our emergency evacuation systems, it has to work first time every time.
Over the 7 years now that it's been implemented, how would you say that that's performed over that time? I think the differences between what it was before and what the CUSA system is now.
Oh, it's been fantastic. I guess the biggest change for us is just the ability to have it monitored from one central point, and that monitoring system has meant that I don't have to have boots on the ground going across to all the different amps and making sure everything's working before every major event. So it's certainly been a huge time saver for us.
Yeah, certainly mutually beneficial, because us getting to Stadium not knowing what's going on prior to that monitoring uplift has been a massive improvement to the service that we're able to provide for Honeywell.
Being a large multi-use venue at Marvel Stadium, obviously having life support systems and audio-visual systems is a key element. Can you tell me how Insight Systems have provided you that support over the years?
Yeah, sure. They've always been available to us 24/7 with their on-call service. We also have a monitoring system that's in place so that if we do have an issue, then we're aware of it ahead of the game.
Yep.
Being a multi-use stadium, we need our EWIS to work first time every time.
To get 60,000 people out in
Absolutely. Otherwise you can't hold
order.
those events.
Yep.
We also need our function rooms, because you get a lot of different clients using our function rooms. We need all of those PA systems to be working, and before any function or event, we need to check them and make sure those systems are working, and the monitoring system does that for us really well.
Fantastic. And obviously having those clients, those paid clients, to make sure their audio and visual systems work every time is a key factor as well. And you know, us providing that support and maintenance, and you can call up or email us at any time and make sure we're there, yeah?
Absolutely, and that gives us a level of comfort that we can operate smoothly and efficiently.
With the uplift, has there been any major step changes or improvements in functionality or features that we've been able to provide for you that have been compelling?
Yeah, absolutely. So the touch screens that we've put into all of the function rooms, just to make those, because you've got so many multiple users of those rooms, it's just simplified everything for those users. And again, it's been quite a robust system. Even though we had many fingers in the pie and touching those screens.
And that's always a big part of the complexity of delivering a large project with the amount of stakeholders that are associated. Doing the due diligence on getting feedback from those users, even base level users or power users, and then owners of the system like Honeywell, ensuring that everyone is across what the outcome is going to be at the outset through that consulting process. I think that put us in a really good position to be able to deliver that for you.
Yeah, absolutely. And we've simplified the system so much that and given us more flexibility, especially in those function rooms. That's been a huge bonus for us. If you think back to the old system where we had cassette players and DVD players,
I remember.
to the system we have today, it's vastly different.